Rekap hari ketiga ujian tahfidz akhir semester 1 di Pondok Pesantren Darut Taqwa.
Nah, ini dia yang satunya.
Oh iya ya, tapi kok kayaknya kurang satu.
Lah, emang kemarin kemana?
Kan di skripnya emang gitu.
Oh, ya udah kalau gitu.
Nah. Rekap hari ketiga ujian tahfidz akhir semester 1 di Pondok Pesantren Darut Taqwa Ponorogo Kampus Putra. Selamat menyaksikan.
See, I don't need no reason, 'cause you provided healing. There was some hard times, we were living some dark lives. We did not know where we're supposed to be, we did not know what we're supposed to need. You took the time out to teach us, so that the guidance would reach us, and you know we're grateful. Muhammad ya Rasulullah Muhammad ya Rasulullah.
Dan itulah rekap hari terakhir ujian tahfidz akhir semester 1.
Lah, kan besok yang terakhir.
Iya ya,